Welcome back to another day in the life of Tam Tam. I'm back with another video. Today is number 9 of Walkmas, and I am about to get started. It is 1:41. I need to knock this thing out quickly and get over 3,000 steps. So we're going to go hard, we're going to go swift, and we're going to be quick because I'm hungry. Okay? I'm probably going to start at, we're going to start off at 3.8. Because I'm like that. So 3.8 it is. We're going to start off at 3.8. I don't know if I'm going to do a full mile of that, but we're going to start off and then I'll slow it down. Three 3.8 make you walk like this. Wait. All right, y'all. I'll see you when I get over a mile. Peace. Okay, that is it. That is day number 9, and I'm out. That's over 7,500 steps. It was over an hour. Remember, stay consistent, stay blessed, keep going in everything that you're doing in life. And what's the other one? Stay blessed, keep going, choose happy, choose happy, choose happy, choose happy. How could I forget? All right, see you on the next one. Peace.